Hello, I'm Dr. Remedios Lo Carceliar Barana. I've been working with the Orioni Congregation Father Palardi Health Center for almost 4 years. We have, for our TB program, we have daily consultations for around 50 to 60 patients a day. Aside from this, we visit our PD program where malnourished children for case finding, family screening. Because we found out that 80% of our malnourished children are primarily infected with tuberculosis. Our program is focused on tuberculosis, and we follow the National Tuberculosis Program, the DOTS therapy, meaning the directly observed treatment strategy. This is to avoid multiple drug resistance. So we have around 10 volunteers to follow up these patients, because we have to give the medicine directly every day. I am the only one doctor, and we require our TB patients, diagnosed TB patients, for follow-up monthly, at least monthly.
Problems, challenge.
We have, aside from patients coming from Payatas area, our problem is some of them came from different areas, provinces, because they are invited by the families of our patients. So we have a lot of TB patients, and our problem is we need more volunteers, especially doctors, because we live with our patients nowadays for 50 to 60 for our case finding. Our goal now is to treat our TB patients at least 85%.